Module 1, Lesson 14. I can divide decimals without a remainder using place value understanding and relate to a written method. Make sure that what I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. If you need to pause to catch up, do so. If you need to rewind, do it. Anything to help you understand the concept that we are learning today. Good luck. Problem number 1, 6 72/100 divided by 3. So the first thing we're going to do is make a place value chart. Then we're also going to show the written algorithm over to the side. So we always start with the dividend, which is 6 72/100 divided by 3, which is the divisor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, in our place value chart, just draw the discs in each place value. So in my ones, I have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my tenths, I have 7. I already did the 6, so now we're on the sevens. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in my hundredths, I have 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a thicker line down below, and I'm going to give myself some extra space. So if you look, my divisor is 3. Okay, so I need to make 3 more rows down below. So this is where we're kind of breaking up our dividend, our original number, 6 72/100, into 3. So first I'm going to start with my ones. So I need to see how can I take that 6 and divide it into 3 different boxes, or think of it as 6 divided by 3. How many 3's can fit into 6? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I've used 3 of them. And I have 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've used all my ones. Beautiful. So I can write right now that I have only 2 ones. So 2 ones. And when I'm in with a standard algorithm, now I've got to do 2 times 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. I have to subtract, which is 0. Beautiful, beautiful. So now I move over. So now I've got to think. I have 7 tenths. I've got to divide them between 3 boxes. Or 7 divided by 3. How many 3's fit into 7? So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good to go. Oh, but now I only have 1. And I can't split 1 between 3 boxes. So let's see about this. So I had 7 tenths. I was figuring out how many 3's fit into 7. Well, based on our numbers, we have 2. Can't forget my decimal. So I'm going to put a 2 above the 7 in the tenths place. And then I multiply 2 times 3, which is 6 again. Ooh, we're getting good at that one. 7 minus 6 is 1. Well, I do only have 1 tenth left. So everything is working so far. It's beautiful. So now I've got to think, I've got to shove this over to the hundredths place because that's my next place value. How many hundredths equals 1 tenth? Well, remember it's a base 10 system. So 10 hundredths equals 1 tenth. So I'm going to add 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's where I get my 12, because 10 plus those 2 that I already had is 12. Oh, beautiful. Notice everything is lining up over on the right. So now I have to think, I have 12, and I need to split between 3 boxes, or 12 divided by 3. So I'm going to start counting up to 12, and hopefully it goes evenly. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Beautiful. So I have 4 hundredths. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and it has no remainders. So 2 and 24 hundredths is the quotient for 6 and 72 hundredths divided by 3. So make sure everything that I just did, you did too. Good luck. Problem 2. 6 and 72 hundredths, again, divided by 4 this time. So I'm going to first start by making a place value chart. So first I'm going to start by showing my counters for the ones place in my dividend. So I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this time I didn't forget one of my tenths. And then I have 2 hundredths. 1, 2. So now I'm going to draw that thick line, and I'm going to give myself a little bit of space. And so now I need to separate my work into 4 like boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And I didn't even need to go that wide. There we go. So now I'm dividing by 4. So I'm starting with 6. So here's 6. And I'm dividing into 4 boxes. So I'm going to just start. So I can do 1, 1, 1, 1. But that takes out 1, 1, 1, 1. That leaves me 2, and I can't evenly spread out the 2 in those 4 boxes. So that means I've got to shove those over into the tenths place. So now if I go over to the right, I could only fit 1 1 in each box. So I'm putting that 1 above the 6 because there were 6 ones I started with. So 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Hey, that's exactly how many ones I had left over. What are the odds? So now I need to add a lot of tenths. So I had 2 ones left over. So that means I have 10 tenths in a 1. It makes 10 tenths to make 1 whole. So I have to write, and I've got 2 ones. So that means I've got to write 20 more tens. So good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yikers. So I'm going to count one more time to make sure I added 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful. So 20 blue counters and 7 red counters equals 27. So that's where I'm bringing down that 7. So now I need to think. And yes, it can be painful at times. I have 27 tenths, and I'm breaking it up into 4 different boxes. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I only have 7 more. 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27. Oh, I can't add an extra. So I can only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenths. So 4 times 6 can fit into 27. So I'm going to put a 6 up here. Don't forget my decimal. So 6 times 4. Well, if I counted, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. Oh, beautiful. Lining it up. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I had 3 of my tenths left over, so they've got to go to the right. So I've used all the others. So I have to think, how many hundredths make up a tenth? Well, it takes 10 hundredths to make 1/10. I have 3/10, so I need 30 hundredths. Goodness gracious. All right, get ready to count. 1. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I'm going to count one more time just to make sure I added 30 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Beautiful thing. All right. So now I have to think. I have 30 plus 2, which is 32. So I have 32 hundredths, and I have to divide them between these 4 boxes. So 32, that's where I'm bringing down that hundredth. And I'm thinking, how many times can 4 go into this 32? So I'm just going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Ooh, I could do it. All right, perfect. So now, let's see how many times. So I've used all of my hundredths, all 32 of them. So how many hundredths were able to fit into those 4 boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, all right. So I'm going to add that. So 8 times 4 is 32. And 32 minus 32 is a lovely goose egg 0. So now let's just check to see if our picture in our place value chart worked. So I'm going to start with my hundredths. So I knew there were 8 because I just counted them. Then I count my tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget my decimal. And then 1. So 1 and 60 hundredths is the quotient for 6 and 72 hundredths divided by 4. There we go. Make sure the work I showed you did too.